The Great Salt Lake and its wetlands are often considered an oasis in the desert for many species of wildlife. These areas provide critical support and refuge for many different types of animals, including mammals, reptiles and amphibians, fish, invertebrates, and most notably, birds. The Great Salt Lake and its wetlands are continentally important for migratory birds. In fact, they are so important they have been designated as a Western Hemisphere shorebird reserve network. Every year, millions of migratory birds traveling along the Pacific and Central flyways use the Great Salt Lake and its wetlands as critical staging, breeding, and foraging habitat. In fact, approximately 250 species of migratory birds use this lake annually. This habitat is absolutely critical for a few species of birds. It is one of the largest breeding colonies of American white pelicans in all of North America. It is also the largest standing population in the world for species such as the Wilson's phalarope and the snowy plover, which is a species of great conservation concern. It is also an essential migratory and breeding stop for American avocets and black-necked stilts. It also provides one of the largest breeding habitats in the entire world for white-faced ibis, and is one of the 2 largest populations of eared grebes in North America. The lake is able to support these amazing animals because of the high habitat level diversity that is found upon the lake and its wetlands. Submerged habitats are important for supporting waterfowl, which need submerged vegetation, as well as other water birds such as pelicans, grebes, and cormorants who need the deeper water for fishing and swimming. Emergent habitats, which usually have very tall vegetation such as sedges and cattails, are an important source for cover, food, and nesting materials for many types of birds such as shorebirds, egrets and herons, waterfowl, and even our more secretive marsh birds such as the adorable marsh wren, the Virginia rail, and the sora. Wet and salt meadows provide excellent cover for nesting waterfowl, as well as providing many feeding opportunities for small insect-eating birds such as swallows and sparrows. Playas and mudflats are particularly important for shorebirds who use the area for creating nests and also for probing for insects in the mud and the water when the playas are flooded. Even the upland areas, such as roads and dikes, provide critical nesting cover for certain species like gulls and killdeer. The Great Salt Lake is a safe haven for migratory birds. However, the lake, its wetlands, and its wildlife still face many threats today. Decreased water availability due to upstream diversions to support growing population and agriculture, as well as climate change, are leading to water loss down on the Great Salt Lake, which is shrinking the lake itself as well as the critical wetland habitats that surround it. Not only does this water loss shrink habitat size, but it also concentrates the nutrients and heavy metals that are found within the water, which reduces water quality. Come visit these amazing habitats to see the beautiful birds and different types of wildlife that call them home. Explore and learn about this dynamic system and discover all of the different ways that we can be responsible stewards for one of our most precious resources.